Jesus, Savior, Lord, I confess I have not been filled with your love, oh Lord, filled with your Spirit. For I have been still in this dark world. My thoughts are not holy, my ways are not yours. Lord, send your light and fill my life, I pray. Make me yours. I want to be holy. Mercy, I cry. Mercy, I plead. My heart I surrender for you to lead. Take my whole life, take all of me. Jesus, I love you. Forgive me, please, for I have not been the way that I should be. For I have not been the way that I should In this world, we find many Christian failures who couldn't endure for a season. Look at this dark life as a long, hard day's work, and afterward you can rest for eternity. The road is easy, there you have the burning hope to be with